Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine Danielle. If you are new here, I make all types of lifestyle content here on this channel, from vlogs to hauls to routine videos. So if you like that type of content, then I definitely suggest you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell, that way you know every time I upload a new video. And if you really like my content, my videos, be sure to give them a big thumbs up. It really helps me out quite a bit. So yeah, today I'm just doing a little bit of a day in my life type of video. So today is actually Wednesday, August 26th. It is going on, it's a little after 10 a.m. And as you guys saw earlier, I got up this morning and made me some breakfast and just kind of sat down to get caught up on work. I was off work Monday and Tuesday, so I came in and I had 48 emails to go through. I'm still not done. I'm only down to 26 emails that I still need to go through right now. And I had to pause for a little bit because we had a team meeting at 9 a.m. And that lasted the full hour. I was not expecting that. A lot of times these meetings tend to last for like 35 minutes, but this one actually lasted the full hour. Lots of updates. So now that that is over, I'm just going to continue to check up on emails. So yeah, I thought I would do a little bit of a day in my life just to kind of show you guys what it's like working from home. Actually, let me turn the ceiling fan off so yeah, I feel like I haven't done one of these types of videos in a while, so I thought it might be fun to just do like a work day in my life and all of that, and show you guys what's going on. Forgive my hair. I tried to do like a big messy bun. It's just not working out very well for me. So yeah, basically I'm just going to be working for the most part. I do have to take my dog to a grooming appointment this afternoon, so we'll leave out and we'll take care of that. And then depending on what time his appointment gets done, I need to run to the UPS store as well. So maybe that's something that I can do. We'll kind of see. So I made my chai tea this morning and it's already like watered down because I wasn't even like thinking about it during that meeting. I have a bunch of podcast episodes that I need to catch up on, just because obviously I was in class for the last 2 weeks. So my podcast episodes have kind of gotten out of control, so I have quite a few to listen to. So that's probably what I'm going to be doing the majority of the day as I work. It's just catching up on podcasts. I don't know, you guys tell me, like when you work from home, what do you normally do? Like, do you sit at your desk? Do you sit somewhere else? Do you listen to podcasts? Do you watch TV? I know for me it's a little mix of both. Like usually when I'm caught up on my podcast, like if I don't have any podcasts to listen to, I'll just like have the TV on in the background. I'll either have like a show on that's just, or a movie that's just like background noise, or I'll actually sit down and like multitask and watch something while I work, because I don't recommend that for everyone. Everyone can't, you know, listen to music or podcasts or watch TV while they work. Some people have to be laser focused, but I can definitely do that. Don't get me wrong, some days, and I feel like most people who have been working from home full time now can attest to this, like some days I just cannot focus and I just can't get anything done. I can do like 30 minutes of work and then I'm like useless for 3 hours. It's ridiculous and it's crazy, but you know, we're all learning and we're all trying to just figure this whole thing out because it has been insane. I cannot stress this enough. Thank you guys so much for all of the love and support you guys have been showing my YouTube videos lately. The channel is growing slow but steady, and I'm just happy for the steady growth. I'm happy for the community that we're building here. You guys are always so supportive, so caring, and so funny in the comments. So I really appreciate that so much, and I just hope that you guys know that. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys, let you guys know what was going on, and yeah, I'll see y'all in a little bit. feel so bad. He's gonna like fly off and he's gonna be far away from his mom or dad or whatever. Oh, I'm so sorry, little guy. Can you guys see him? Oh no, I feel so bad. I mean, I also don't want him to like crawl underneath my hood, but like, I feel so bad. Oh, what's he doing? Oh, he's making a run for it. Oh God, oh God. He's running across the road. Oh my God, please hurry before, oh my God, there's cars coming. Oh God, oh, that's not good. That's not good. Hey guys, so it's actually been a little while since I have updated you. Actually, it's been a while since I've updated you. It's just now after 6 o'clock. I'm off work now and I went and picked up Canon right after I got off work. I actually went by the UPS store to do an Amazon return and then I went and picked up Canon. So here's Canon. Here's what he looks like with his little haircut. Say hi. He's so cute. The groomers did a great job as always. And yeah, I think I'm about to end this vlog because pretty much I'm done for the rest of the day. The only thing that I'm doing is pretty much hanging out and I am going to have dinner at some point. I don't know what I'm going to have right now, so who knows when that will happen. But I have a couple packages and I thought that I would just open them. I'm not sure. So I think this is just an Amazon order. It's really not anything exciting. So I don't know why I'm like sharing this, but oh, this is my Sephora order. Look at that, how exciting. All right, so I placed an order with Sephora the other day because they were doing like 15 off 75 or 20 off 100, I think. And so you guys know I had to go ahead and order some things, and I have a disinfectant wipe to wipe everything off. Some of it is new and some of it is like repurchases of things that I'm out of and that I wanted to repurchase. So the first thing that I have here are some eye masks. I love these little eye masks, specifically this pearl one, which is for perfecting and brightening. So I really like to use these. They're just really nice and fun and cool to use underneath the eye, just like a nice little treat. So I picked up some of the Mario Badescu drying lotion. This is just an OG fave of mine, and the one that I have now is literally out, like I'm like scraping the bottom of it. So yeah, it was time for a new one of those. I also repurchased this Sephora vitamin C plus E serum. I really love this stuff and you guys should definitely try it. It's only $20, so it's super affordable. And right now I'm using a trial size of the Drunk Elephant serum, vitamin C serum, which isn't bad. I like it, but I definitely feel like I prefer this one a little bit more. I feel like when I was using this, my skin was so hydrated, so bright, and you are supposed to use this in the morning, so I would use this every morning and I love it. So those are the like 3 sort of restock items that I purchased, and then I picked up 3 new items. So let's see. So the first thing I picked up is this Ole Henriksen. Is it Ole Henriksen? Not really sure. But I picked up this transforming walnut scrub. I've needed a new like exfoliator for a while now, like a physical exfoliator, because I haven't had one. I have like some chemical ones. And of course I use like my my tools, like my Clarisonic and the other one that I have that I can't think of the name of right now for some reason. But yeah, so I decided to pick this one up and give it a try. I've always wanted to try something from this brand. I hear amazing things about it all the time. And I know they have other products, like more popular products that people like, but I really needed an exfoliator. So I'm excited to try it and see how I like it. I will let you guys know. Then this is definitely a product that I feel like is super hyped on like social media and YouTube, and I always fall for this stuff. Like I always end up purchasing this stuff. But anyways, I ended up purchasing the Necessaire body wash. I hear people talk about this all the time. People literally rave about how amazing this brand is. Their shower gel, the body scrub, and the lotion. I didn't need any of those other things. I have a body scrub right now. I have the First Aid Beauty body bump, and I haven't even made a dent in that. And then of course I don't really need a lotion right now. I just purchased one. So I decided to try out the body wash because my body wash is almost all out, and I ended up getting the fragrance free just because I wanted to see what the product is like first. So yeah, I decided to give this a try. This is a $25 body wash, so I'm hoping it's as good and as nice as everyone says it is. I don't know, we'll see. In case you're wondering, it says that it is a daily multivitamin cleanser for skin health. The formula contains ingredients rich in vitamin A, vitamin B3, vitamin C, vitamin E, omega-6, and omega-9. So that's a lot of really good vitamins in a body wash. So I don't know, I'm excited to try and see if I notice a difference or just see how my skin feels overall. And then last but not least, I feel like this is another one of those products that I always hear people talk about. I decided to pick up the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush Body Spray. So if I'm not mistaken, this is supposed to smell exactly like the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. And if it does, then I will be super excited because that smells so good. Y'all already know how I feel about that. I really like body sprays for like when I get out of the shower at night. That's really the only time that I wear them, because like during the day I usually just apply some type of perfume. But yeah, I was just looking for like a good body spray from after the shower, and so I'm excited to see what this smells like. Oh yeah, that's so good, you guys. Oh, that is right up my alley. Addictive Pistachio Caramel Chirosa. I don't know what that is, but I can definitely smell that pistachio. It's funny because I was gonna say it smells like almond blossom. If you know what the almond blossom soap or candle smells like from Bath and Body Works, that's kind of what this smells like, but it's really just the pistachio that's coming through. Ooh, that is so good. Like that's a good, like sexy summer scent. Oh, I love that. Okay, well, I might have just done something with this because this might be something that I pick up. And I did get the small size, just so you're wondering. This is, I want to say 3.4. Yeah, 3.4 fluid ounces. They have a bigger size than this, but because I wasn't sure how it was going to smell, I just went ahead and got the smaller size. So yeah, that is everything from Sephora. They put in a little free sample of the Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Scrub. Probably won't ever use that. And then I have another exciting package, you guys. I got my first like brand mail. I don't understand this at all. But this brand reached out to me and wanted me to try their hair products, and I was like, I don't know why y'all want me to try your hair products, but who are me to turn down, you know, free products and just to try something out. So yeah, that's why if you've noticed in my last few videos, my hair has been looking like this. Is because it's time to get it done, and I didn't want to make an appointment when I knew that I had these products coming that I was going to try out. So yeah, I'm going to try these products out and just see how they works. So yeah, so this is what the box looks like that they sent me, all these little packing peanuts. But yeah, they sent me this mineral shampoo. It says it's for normal hair. I don't know what that means. I've seen some other product reviews that some girls did, and it's a very diverse group of girls that have reviewed this, black, white, everything in between. So yeah, very interested to see. So we have a mineral shampoo. We have this Ultimate Growth Spray. I don't really know if I'm gonna try this, but paraben-free, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, silicone-free, SLS, GMO-free. So, okay. Then they sent this. Oh, did they send 2 mineral shampoos? Yeah, okay, so they sent 2 mineral shampoos. I don't know, maybe they think I'm really gonna like it. They sent the mineral conditioner, and what else? The repairing hair mask. So yeah, I don't know, I'm excited to try these products. I mean, who knows, maybe this will be my new go-to hair care brand. I don't know. You guys know I don't really do my own hair that often. So we'll be interested to see how this turns out. Although the last time I did my hair with those Briogeo products, I was like impressed myself. Like my hair looked really good, but I attribute that honestly to the products. Like those products were great. I low-key want to buy them, but I don't do my hair enough to purchase them, in my opinion. But I don't know. I'm excited to try out this brand, see what it's like. So I'll be doing a video about this, so you guys should be seeing this soon. And yeah, I don't have anything else to say. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed following me around for the day. I mean, it wasn't a whole lot happening. I was literally working and running a few errands, and that was it. So yeah, I don't have anything else to say. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.